Chop. To cut food into small, irregular pieces. Example: chop the onions finely for the recipe. Stir. To mix ingredients by moving a spoon or utensil in a circular motion. Example: stir the soup to distribute the flavors evenly. Whisk. To beat ingredients rapidly using a whisk, incorporating air and creating a smooth texture. Example: whisk the eggs until they are frothy. Blend. To combine ingredients together until they form a uniform mixture. Example: blend the ingredients in a blender until smooth. Boil. To heat a liquid until it reaches its boiling point and bubbles form rapidly. Example: boil the water before adding the pasta. Simmer. To cook food gently in liquid at a temperature just below boiling. Example: simmer the sauce on low heat for 30 minutes. Grill. To cook food directly over an open flame or hot surface. Example: grill the burgers for 5 minutes on each side. Fry. To cook food in hot oil or fat until it becomes crispy and brown. Example: fry the chicken until it is golden and cooked through. Bake. To cook food in an oven using dry heat. Example: bake the cookies at 350 Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. Roast. To cook food, especially meat, uncovered in the oven, resulting in a browned and flavorful exterior. Example: roast the chicken for an hour at 400 Fahrenheit. Sauté. To cook food quickly in a small amount of hot oil or fat, usually in a shallow pan. Example: sauté the mushrooms until they are tender and lightly browned. Season. To add salt, pepper, herbs, spices, or other flavorings to enhance the taste of a dish. Example: season the steak with salt and pepper before grilling. Grate. To rub food against a grater, resulting in fine shreds or particles. Example: grate the cheese for garnishing the pasta. Peel. To remove the outer skin or rind of fruits or vegetables. Example: peel the potatoes before boiling them. Melt. To heat a solid ingredient until it transforms into a liquid state.